Okay guys, now we will be talking about surface area, and to start we'll be doing a rectangular prism. So for a rectangular prism, we have length, width, and height, right? For a surface area, we're calculating the area on each face of this rectangular prism. So in this rectangular prism, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is Okay, so for surface area, we will be first discussing how to do a rectangular prism. With a rectangular prism, we have 6 faces, so length, width, and height, but there are 2 of them, top, bottom, left and right, front and back. So for the surface area, we calculate the area of each face and then add them all together. So for the surface area of a rectangular prism with dimensions width, length, and height, or W times L times height, it's equal to 2 times width times height. So basically this part times 2, and then 2 times width times length. So that's down here times 2, and then 2 times length times height. So that would be this face. So altogether that equals 2 times this part plus this part plus this part added all together.
I have a question.
That's us, right?
That's what we need to find. So
That was epic.
that was
Yeah.
pretty good.
Alright, so now to the next part of shape and space, we will be talking about surface area. And the first shape we'll be doing is a rectangular prism. So rectangular prisms, they have 6 faces. Alright, so for our next unit in shape and space, we will be talking about surface area. The first shape we'll be doing is the rectangular prism. So for the rectangular prism, there are 6 faces, right? Right here, here, here. Actually, that's dumb, whatever. Cut it out, we can continue. Alright, so for the next unit in shape and space, we will be talking about surface area. The first shape we'll be doing is the rectangular prism. So with the rectangular prism, there are 6 faces, and we'll be giving each length, each side length, these variables, length, width, and height. So L, W, and H. Now the surface area of a rectangular prism has these dimensions. So by adding up all these 6 faces, you get the total surface area, which is this exact formula. So first of all, let's look at the width times height. It's basically this shape right here, and then times 2, which is why we have this, because this is also H and this is also W, so that's why we have that. Width times length would basically be right here times here, and we also have 2 of those, right here and then up here at the top. And then length times height would basically be this front facing face, and we also have one in the back, so that's why it's 2. So then, since all 3 of these have 2, we can take it out and then combine all of these right here, which is width times height plus width times length plus length times height. Add it all together times 2, which gets you the surface area of a rectangular prism.